So class, let's begin with staining procedures. We have prepared the slides. One slide we will be dealing with simple staining and one slide we will be dealing with gram staining. Okay, these are our two slides. We have put the numbers 1 and 2. This 1 number slide we will proceed for simple staining. Now for simple staining, first procedure was to heat fix the smear, that we have already done. Now crystal violet, as the name suggests, it's violet in color, dark violet in color. So this is the smear. We will flood the smear area with crystal violet only. And now we will wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, first thing you need to remember, wherever you put your marking, from there you will hold your slide during washing. I will show you while washing the slide. Till staining is fixed on the cell wall of bacteria so that we can visualize under the microscope, try to understand why we are doing staining procedure. See, bacteria are colorless, and when you are using light microscope, you cannot see the colorless compound as light will pass through it. So color is required to increase the refractivity so that rays can disperse themselves and can be focused on the objective slide accordingly, and then we can visualize the surface of the bacteria. Through this staining procedures, we can only visualize morphology of the bacteria. We cannot visualize their motility as it is heat fixed slide. So these are not live bacteria. So we cannot visualize motility. We cannot visualize internal parts of the bacteria. However, there are some staining procedures by which we can spot various subcellular organelles of the bacterial cell wall, like flagellar staining, capsule staining, likewise. Now during washing, take the slide from the area where you have marked your number 1. This I put as a dustbin. Here we do the gentle washing by tap water. In this beaker we have tap water. So first remove the excess stain. Now simply gentle wash. Now the question is, till how much time we require to do gentle wash? And the answer is until and unless some colorless liquid is coming out from the slide. See, wherever there was area of smear, it has already been colored by crystal violet. Now the water molecule which is in excess, we remove it through filter paper and we air dry the slide. After drying in air, we will focus the slide under microscope. Okay, this is simple stain style. First, open the diaphragm so that you can see. I have closed the diaphragm, there is no light. Open the diaphragm, complete light is coming on. For staining, we need full light. Then through this movement, moving the stage, you can visualize the slide. Okay, something we can see there. Yes, that's the 10x. You see the staining area. Now you need to focus on the area where you can get the individual bacteria more clearly, like this one. Now this is the 10x. See how much distance is there between the slide and the lens. In every 10x focusing, you need to give this much space so that you can visualize clearly. Okay? Now shifting to 40x. Just move the objective till you get the click sound. Okay. See, you can see something through fine focus. Oh wow, you are able to see something, but again you are not able to see the complete morphology. Here you can go for even light adjustment for proper visualization. Okay, now we will check which area is better to visualize. Okay, I think this one is better. Now go for oil emulsion lens. Remember, you do not need to record the observation or do not write observation based on the view in under 40x lens. Now what do we mean by oil immersion lens? As the name suggests, oil is immersed. This is 100x. In both the objectives, that is 10x and 40x, there was no medium between the lens and the objective. So the medium was nothing but the air, whose refractive index is 1. But when we are going for a very small objective, that is 100x, small objective means it is having powerful objective, it multiplies the image to 100x, 100 times, but its lens is very small compared to 10x and 40x. So the light which gets diffracted will not be covered in that small lens. So here we need to increase the refractive index. For that we put a drop of cedarwood oil. Obviously we cannot put it when it is in such a position. Put a drop. Now how to keep the slide? Touch it with the lens. Okay? See, I have focused and checked the distance between slide and the objective lens. Literally, there is no space. And see it yourself. You can see the different shapes of bacteria in individual. So earlier you were finding only some small dots. Now you can see the morphology. It was simple staining, so obviously bacteria has gained only one color, that is crystal violet. Now write your observation as crystal violet stain. These are not cocci. They are not cocci. Obviously they are not cocci, but they are Cucubacilli. We cannot identify the actual shape of Cucubacilli, so you can write short rods. Crystal violet stained short rods were observed under 100x after simple staining was performed. And likewise, you can record your result. So this ends with simple staining.